One of my lights are burnt out on my 300C. They have these HID lights, so I'm going to show you how to replace them. So of course you pop the hood. Alright, so for the passenger side, you can see there's a rubber boot here. We're going to pull that off. And underneath it is the bulb right there. I'm going to take the tab on this side and lift it up and swing it open. So you press in and lift up, then you just swing it back and grab the bulb and pull it straight back. Alright, so I'm going to unplug the connector here now. Just pull it straight back. Alright, here's the new one. You want to make sure that it's plugged in the right way. Plug it in all the way. And then you're going to want to put it back into place where the other one was. Once it's in place, I'm going to swing this back, pop it back in. Alright, that's in place. Grab this, it must have fell down there. Then you take the rubber boot, back over that. Alright, so the easy side is done. This side is a little different. To make it easier to get to, you can move this out of the way. So you just undo the screw here and lift it up. Take this off too. It's called out so it's stiff. And there's a tab here, you want to push it that way while lifting up on the reservoir. Alright, so I slid that up out of there and pushed it over. Now I have room that I can reach in here. Access to it. So I take the rubber boot off. It's going to be the same as the other side, just push in the tab and lift it up. When you open it, move it open, then you want to pull it out. Right, now I'm going to unplug that. Okay. So I'm going to plug this one in and I'm going to put it back in the same position that the other one was in. Alright, so as you can see, it's in the proper position and latched there. And I'm just going to put the boot over the back of it. Okay. And once that's on all the way, we can lift this back up, push it down in. And then you just put the airbox back. Okay, so the airbox is back in position there. Plug that hose back in. All that's left to do is test the lights out. Okay, so this is the old light here. It's hard to tell, but there you go. It's all black on the inside there, so where it's burnt out. And this one did light up, but I just replaced them both.